I climb up to the roof to hang out with the stars, 'cause they all remind me I've come pretty far from the place that I started before shit got dark, singing the Jewel in the car. I used to think it was cool how people would say that I'm so secure, so mature for my age. Now I'm not sure it's such a good thing, 'cause now that I'm older I see. If I could go back, I'd go back to 13, 'cause we all grow up faster from things that we've seen. And now that I'm here, I'll try not to blink, 'cause people would pave this view, but they don't know the pain I went through to get up to the roof. All the ones I looked up to said, keep your head down, but the world looks so clear with my head in the clouds. No, it's not right. Wishing back time, but I can't help but feel I'm this down. I know for a fact I don't act 17, 'cause we all grow up faster from things that we've seen. And now that I'm here, I'll try not to blame, 'cause people would pave this view. I wouldn't change all the pain I went through to get up to the roof.